In number 2 on the 7172 checkup, they ask us to find the roots of the equation, otherwise known as the zeros or the x-intercepts. The technical way of doing this is to split up this problem into two factors, x plus 12 and x minus 7, and set them both equal to 0. Then solve the equation on both sides of the line there for x. On the left, we would subtract 12 and get negative 12. On the right, we would add 7 and get 7. So negative 12 is one x-intercept, and 7 is the other. Now, many times we just look at this and say, oh, negative 12 is the number that would produce 0, and 7 is the number that would produce 0. But I went through the technical way of doing that so you can see how you would do something like problem B. Split that up into its two factors, negative 3x and 2x minus 5, and set both of them equal to 0 and solve. On the left, you would divide both sides by negative 3, and you would get x equals 0. On the right, you would add 5 to both sides, and then divide by 2, and you would get x equals 2.5. So 0 is an x-intercept, and 2.5 is an x-intercept. In part C, it's not factored yet, so you have to do that. Well, we can see that both of these terms, x squared and 4x, have an x in them. So you can do what's called factoring out an x. It's kind of like undistributing it. So if you see an x in both places, imagine what that problem would look like before the x was distributed. X times x, x squared. X times 4, 4x. Now that we're in this mode, we can see that 0 is one value that would produce 0, and negative 4 is the other. That concludes problem 2.